kapor bagi pak kita kambhai ke Jaka Sumar kum ke PHC bat ke sub center khamtam ke Jaka Nongkendong amar ka jongwan lunshop jaga Jepang COVID-19 ba ka jing jinjar jo ki pak ban kiu chaki Jaka Sar ban wat ikilat jing Sumar bagi pangki chitom kalong ke pat ka basungsi banyu ba ke Jaka Sumar kum ka PHC hapo Umtrai bat ka sub center hapo Omlaper bahap apa ki Jaka block 2 bat ki Jaka khaput jong kam naklia bat Assam ki Syai Beng bat ki don hapeng ki jinglong ka ba Sangsot nambar baki kendro kasat bat ki Pelau kilong ki ba Isnei hadu kata-kata halo jong ka nongrim na kalang jong MDC jong ka Mauti constituency uba Jaka Sumar nga mantakas ngi hinyaw tarik unai tong arajar arpuai ulai ban ai ka jingtho Shau Menteri ka koi ka khia jong ka jalla uba elhek Ringkat kajian donlang jong Director of Health and Services Dr. Amanwar. Wa cha so lakdo haki ya kajian kam ban marmot kerki yeke ke Jaka Sumar kamtam hak bukan kapor bagi pai ba ki don kamba yeke Jaka Sumar sikino kondong. Wa cha so le thur bagi ni kajinglong ba Sangsot jokin di Jaka Sumar kalabu jing yeke pai ba kamjuru yeke nok tre ka koi ki khia ki batrei hagati ka thai. Ulapan paru kajing smosi bawat ia ki Asha ki badi bandon haman la ki PHC haduk menta kempat don setia anu kusa kum kam Mawlasnai PHC akabaki don kembak khan ar bar khan atili ki shnong ki bahaduk menta kempat don setia ki Asha ki belong ki nok tri ki ba khaman ki badi bat ki pai ba ban pentip ne banya thu ismang ka ko ki khia ka jobki
Today the 7th of July 2021 I met the Honorable Health Minister regarding the issues of health centers. Point number 1, regarding the PHC, Umtrai PHC and Umlaper sub-center. I went to Umtrai PHC by myself, visited the PHC and met the staff of PHC. I found that there are many issues, there are many problems facing by our staff and the people of that area. Number 1, immediate repairing of ceiling, wall, door frame, windows, toilet and water tanker of staff quarter of Umtrai PHC, which are 5 in numbers. That's number 1. And number 2, water available is unfit and unclean for use by the staff and the patients of Umtrai PHC. Therefore, requested our Honorable Minister of Health and Family Welfare for the management of proper water supply fit for drinking needs to be done at the earliest. That is point number 2. Point number 3, management of proper drainage system of wastewater as the current drains are blocked. And then number 4, one more GNM. For the last few years, we have 3 GNM, but now we have only 2 GNM. Due to the COVID pandemic, one more GNM is required. And next, immediate renovation of Umlaper sub-center as its building is in deteriorating state and prove unsafe for the staff and the patients. That is number 5. And number 6, cemented fencing of Umlaper sub-center is required to maintain the premises safe and clean. And next, very important for women, this is level room. Level room of sub-center needs to have separate entrance and attached toilet. And also, we need one baby corner. And also, we need one postmortem for after delivery and before delivery. And one more important issue I've submitted to our Honorable Minister regarding the Block 2 area or border area. Since statehood till date, I'm very sad to inform you that 18 villages, now 15 villages, they do not have Asha. This is very important, and the proposal has been sent by the DM and HO to the DHS, Meghalaya Shillong. But till today, no steps have been taken by the government. So, approval and appointment of the Asha for the 15 villages of our border is urgently required. That is the few issues and problems facing by our people regarding the memorandum I've submitted to the Health Minister.